Mommy, Daddy, Tio Fanny.
Good morning! Hoy, no throwing your dad. What do you want? What do you want? Dirty? Ayun, dirty yung suot mo.
Oh no.
Why?
Tio and here. She's in the bed.
May shades yung bed mo. Show them, show them. Oh, show it to them. Oh, don't cover the camera, anak. Ay, show my.
I no say it.
I'm sorry. See, you're covering the camera. They can see your face. Look at the camera kasi. This one, you cannot touch this one. Only here. Here lang. Hi, guys. So, what happened to your bed? Show it to them na lang. I'll hold the camera for you because you're gonna get dizzy. Oh, where's the face? There you go. Kita ba? Ano? Parang dulo ng gatas, tas may dalawang mata. Look. Nakagising lang niya. Almost 10 a.m. na. Kanina nagising siya mga 7 something, miyak siya. Hanap niya na naman yung
Nana face.
wala na.
That.
Hanap niya yung daddy niya kanina.
Mommy.
Hi, baby.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Tio. Hi, Tio.
Thank you for watching. Picture. Sige. Sige. Boinks. Sige, pinto.
Oh, red.
No, don't touch the red one.
Hey.
No. You're going to fall there, baby. No.
Mom. Mom, hard. Mom, hard. Take me.
Man down. Bag. Ay. Ay. Oh. Tell them what you're eating. Tell them what you're eating. He's eating chocolate. Chocolate.
Okay.
Galing kami sa labas. Tapos na nagpapalis ng aircon. Nagpaset kami ng appointment. Tapos, pagas and nag-buy siya ng juice and his chocolate. Oh no! Yeah! Owen! Uy, Machoy! no yan. For your slide yan, anak. Anak. Play lang kay Owen. Sige na.
Wait ka lang dyan.
Dito tayo ng siomay. So, yung bisita tayo. Ang dami tayong kakain. Dito lang ang siomay. Meron kaming fish, miswa, at lumpiang tobe.
Laro mo si Owen. Wala na bang card?
Wow.
Sit lang, Owen.
Owen, nasa vlog ka na ni Akiyo.
Wow! Very good yung dalawa. Walang away ah. Behave lang. Kaya don't drink the water. Dirty ah.
That's what he is.
Sila maligo. Maglalabot na lang sila sa room. Para may mainit.
No, no, no.
Baro mo, Akiyo.
Thinking that.
Truck. Gising na siya. Ayan, napupups na siya. Higil pa more. Papalinis kami ng aircon. Kasi sobra lang, ewan kung dahil sa init or hindi niya kaya palamigin or ewan. Pinapalinis na lang natin.
Mommy,
kasama ko, balik ko.
Yan.
What happened? What happened to our aircon?
Sira.
Sira nila yung aircon? They're cleaning it.
Clean
Cleaning.
it. Dirty.
Yes, it's dirty. Yummy for merienda. Sarap, Akiya.
Nawala ng tubig.
Dito na naman kami sa port.
Jogging ka papunta dun, tsaka pabalik. Go. Go there, then go back.
Usok.
Jogging. Jogging lang. Slowly, slowly. Oh, go back, go back. Go back. Very good. Oh, one more.
Uy, enough na!
Jog lang.
Daddy ah.
Oy,
Pag yan nada pa.
go back.
Walking.
Papa.
Hop. Oh, no running. running. Now, let's stop. walking. What's next? Hop. Running. Now, let's. Very good. Uy, kulit. Nag-listen na siya kasi takot na siyang mapauwi ulit.
Oh,
What do you want? Gatorade? No? Ay, no! Babe. Bibili muna kami ng drinks ng Akiya ko. What's that? Dirty, anak. Naman tong kotse, may poops pa. Say hi, Akiya. Akiya.
la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. La la la. La 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 la. Tito Momo.
Where's Tita Mama?
Doing sleeping.
Sleeping. What will you say to Tita Momo? Spaghetti.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's so yummy.
Ubus kilo.
You finish it.
Opo.
Good job.
R.
Yummy.
Hotdog then.
You like it? Is it yummy?
Daddy then.
Oh, yummy. Is it oishi?
Mommy,
Say oishi desu.
dun kiyo.
I know. Dito kami sa Mr. DIY. Kasi nagre-request siya. Gusto daw niya bumili na shades. Puro ganito yung shades. Puro pang girl. Ayun siya. Nakabili na kami. Ito, Mickey Mouse. Ba yan? Ayaw mag-focus. Ayan. Tsaka ayan. Siya bumili siyang gun. Usapan namin shades lang. Oh, pili. Naghanap lang ako ng tripod. Para lang hindi naman nakakangalay magawa. Naku, meron na naman. Pogi, yabang ah. Pogi, paano yung pogi?
Kaya.
Sige na, put it down lang. Put it down. Smile. Paano muna? Uy, sus, pogi ah. Oh, smile. Smile, Akio, smile. Akio. Smile. Love you. Like mommy. Kasi naman, ba't ko kasi lagi ginagayin yung salamin ko? Ayan. Oh, pogi. Oh, like mommy.
Like this.
Yes.
Mom,
Kaya pala niya laging ginagawa.
this.
Wear ko yung eyeglasses ka. Okay.
Sun.
Walang sun eh. Tomorrow na lang. Night time na eh.
Mom,
Smile. Open your eyes.
Saan galing yan?
Badulas ka, anak.
Wow, saan galing yan? Saan galing to? Sige nga, para sa saan yan? Sige nga, okay naman. Oh, open your eyes. Show the camera. Wow, paano yung outfit check? Dali, outfit check.
Pero basta, hindi na lang din ulit ng dinner namin. Pero, kakain sila adobo. Wow, fresh ang baby. Kalat na naman. May tupiin na naman.
mommy, mommy.
What's wrong, babe?